Hey everybody, this is Greg Sargent, Sargent Strategic Academy. Today we're going to talk a little bit of how you can get your websites on the internet to rank better, how you can be seen more on YouTube, how a few backlinks from YouTube can really help your website. And these are things that I've learned over the years from myself, trial and error. SEO company has been great. Target Local Marketing's helped me for 7 years. And a lot of this information I got from Jeff Cross. I'm going to show you his website and where you guys really need to get involved with Jeff to help your websites and your visibility online. So let's go through this really quickly. And again, I'm new to this screen video, so bear with me if I take a minute, okay? So as you can see on the screen, at the end of the day, what we're trying to do with these websites is if you type in here, water damage restoration Denver. Okay, of course you have your pay-per-click advertisements, right? But the other thing that we want to look at here is you have the maps, okay? If you also notice here, the #1 organic ranking for the Denver website area is HomeAdvisor, okay? So I'm not trying to tell you to get on HomeAdvisor. I'm just trying to tell you to look up what websites are coming up first in your area, and maybe there's some leads there. Maybe there's some work that's generating there at a decent percentage, okay? The next thing you've got here, one thing that I used was Better Business Bureau. They rank up here on the first page all the time. I made about $40,000 off of my Better Business Bureau link, so it worked out pretty good. Now, if we're noticing here is down here in this section here, this is actually my main Colorado website, coloradodisastercleanup.com. So this website organically now is ranking on page 1 of the major search terms for the Denver area, okay? Now I'm going to show you some ways that I was taught to do this to help. So let's just kind of go through this. One thing you have to think about and remember is that Google bought out YouTube. So YouTube videos and backlinks to your website, from what I've been told by multiple internet marketing experts, Google really likes YouTube backlinks, okay? So I'm going to kind of show you guys how you can do that multiple ways, all right? Now, to start off, a lot of you guys probably for sure, almost every person I talk to says they wish they had more reviews. And I don't want to take anything away from the Google reviews at all. You definitely want to have some of those, but they're just written. There's no pictures, there's no video, okay? So you want to have a balance of reviews across the internet. For example, when I had my HomeAdvisor account, I had over 20 reviews there. When I had my Thumbtack account, I got over 20 reviews there. I try to always get at least over 20 reviews in each little area that I'm trying to market in. All right, so if we go here, and I've talked to many of you guys about this, but this is that Sotellus account. Okay, this is a new friend of mine, or not a new friend, excuse me, friend of mine who just signed up yesterday, Dave Nelson at Larson's ChemDry. And these are a couple of the different companies that, hang on here, that I've helped get signed up, and then I also help them get their reviews and show them how to download them. So hopefully this video here will help you guys that are getting into Sotellus and setting up your YouTube account. So here is my account, okay, for Sotellus. And if you notice here, I've got these reviews, okay, and let me just show you how easy this is what we want to do is we want to take these video reviews from Sotellus and we want to download them, okay. So let me just give you an idea. This is Mike. I met at the Nexus convention, so we're going to go over here to his review, and we are going to download this video to our desktop. Now, maybe there's another way to do it. This is the way I know how to do it, okay? All right, open, show in the folder. All right, let me just, it's over here on my other screen. Let me just rename it so that I don't have to, it doesn't take so long. Okay, I've got that done. So I've got this video review downloaded. Now I'm going to come over to my YouTube channel. Take that off. Okay, and I'm going to go to my channel. Okay, and we just go to this upload button right here, guys. Okay. In a minute, I'll show you the different videos I've got loaded up. I've definitely got to add some more, that's for sure. Okay, we're just going to go to loading. Sorry, it takes so longer when I'm recording. So we're going to upload a video. We're going to go to my downloads. I named it Mike, of course, because it was a review from Mike. I wish I need to learn how to have more folders, guys. Oh boy. So here's the video review from Mike. We're going to upload that. Alright, it usually takes a couple minutes. It shouldn't take very long on this. It's a very, very short review. So see, we're almost done already. I'm going to hit publish. Now, right now, you guys are going to want to put these on public just so they're out there. Okay, so that quickly, I've got a video uploaded into my YouTube channel. I'm going to go to return to editing. Okay, now what we want to do, and this is going to be important for you guys, is you want to get a description. You want your description to be about your company and also about the keywords that people are going to be searching in your area, okay? And we also can tag the keywords down here, or excuse me, tag the keywords, yeah, that people are searching for. Let me give you an idea of how I did this on my other ones about small or extra large and large dehumidifiers. So I'm just going to copy and paste the description that I have here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this, and then let's go back to Mike. Can we go to this description here, and we're going to paste it. Okay, so the keywords that I'm going after are, you know, water damage training. So I usually just do water damage business training. And then usually I'll put Sergeant Strategic. Okay. And then down on these keywords, you can do, you know, again, water damage training. And I've got a lot to learn in this part. There's a lot of guys that go to, you know, different places for their training, like the IICRC, John Don, Interlink, Aramsco, okay, water damage leads. I put water damage leads, water damage restoration training. Okay, and you can put lots more in there. Okay, so we're going to save this. But I'm going to show you where to get these videos for your water damage company. Okay, so you have the typical reviews like I was just telling you and showed you how to upload. Then you see all of these videos here that I have. These are all videos that I was actually able to get from turning into be a very good friend of mine. At least I see him as a great friend, Jeff Cross. He's a publisher for Clean Facts. He's also owner of Marketing Zoo. But see all these water damage videos? Okay, now they're not getting a ton of views already, but the important part is if we go on here, they're going to pull up under the water damage keywords in the Denver area, but they also have a link to my website. So every one of these videos now has a backlink from YouTube to my main website in Colorado. Okay, so where do you get these videos? Okay, this is what's just spectacular. Is you go right here, you go to marketingzoo.com, give Jeff Cross a call, and there's all these categories. I mean, you can do, if you want to do carpet cleaning videos, they've got them here. And the monthly subscription's like $50 a month. So we're going to take these videos and see how we've got water damage restoration, water damage cleanup, disaster cleanup, wet carpet, water extraction, rainwater, flooded disaster, home advisor, thumbtack, mold remediation, fire and water. There's just all these keywords that you can do. Now, if I can show you really quickly here for my buddy Steve in Utah, I put him up one video, a testimonial that I did, and let's see if it works. Asbestos cleanup, Utah. Okay. The information that's out there that can help us see right here. Look. Now, does it have a ton of views? No. Okay, it's actually on here twice. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to start to get our name, our company all over the internet as many ways as we can, and especially ways that don't cost a lot. Okay, so let's just try this really quick. Water damage training. Okay. So if we pull up our YouTube account, see these are ones that are 3 years old. Andy McCabe, I know Andy, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 1 year ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago. Okay, if you notice, this is mine right here, okay, 1 month ago. So this is one of my videos that I did. Again, these are videos that are 4 years old, 5 years old. Okay, so here's another one of mine 3 months ago. Here's another one of mine 3 months ago. Another of mine. Another of mine, a testimonial. Okay, so you start to see these videos that I'm putting on there are starting to slowly get up towards the top of the search engine for YouTube. So anyways, guys, at the end of the day, the result that we're looking for is we want to get these websites up and running on the first page, and just like one little simple way, hopefully you will learn today how backlinks from YouTube can easily help your website to rank better. The other thing is you're talking about Sotellus. If you call Troy, and you can cancel anytime, but I can show you exactly how to, on your system, to take those videos, download them, and then upload them up into your YouTube channel. Then we link them to your website to help that ranking work. Again, you're going to get the also the organic. Let me show you one more thing here. Okay, and then this is a very specific word, but you know. Okay, so Sergeant Strategic Academy. If you go to Google and type it in, okay, my Teachable account comes first. My Teachable account comes second. But look, my third. Oh, cool. Sorry guys, something new something new popped up. So my third thing that pulls up organically is a 5-star Sotellus review that that Sotellus put on the internet for me. So it's ranking above my Facebook. Okay, so here's Joseph giving me a review in Arizona. But the thing I want you to see is this is all stuff that Sotellus will do for you. This review that I did through them is ranking, again, above my Facebook page. It's ranking above my actual website. And now, this is a cool one, you guys. You have to see who pops up in your area. I had noticed a month or two ago that when I typed in water damage training, this Zach's Academy was coming up all the time, right? Well, guess what? I just barely finished signing up with them. My course is now available on Zach's Academy, and they have already got me also ranking up. So you just want to get yourself out there. There's as many places as possible to bring you in work. I just had a customer this week call me and say, yeah, I saw you on Interlink Supply on their education site where you're teaching classes. I want to learn more about your business and how you can help my business. This is what we got to do for your carpet cleaning, your water damage businesses. Again, hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you guys have been able to see the real importance of using programs like Sotellus or like Marketing Zoo. Very inexpensive. You can have both products for like 150 bucks a month. Cancel anytime. But let's get some advertising going. Let's get your content up there. And they also have newsletters and everything else to help you with your clients. So thanks again for being a part of Sergeant Strategic Academy, and I'll see you on the next video.